Good day, awesome people. I'm Natasha, and today we're just doing a soap cutting video. Yes, I'm not mixing anything. I'm just going to show you this beautiful bamboo roses soap I made, and I'm going to mold it and I'm going to cut it for you. So as you can see, I have two sides. I have a green side bamboo and I have a brown side bamboo. Isn't that nice? This soap, you guys, was not easy. We had to do another challenge for the Soap Challenge Club, which is a club I belong to. I'll leave the information in the description box below. And the goal was to do piped soap tops or textured soap tops. I chose to do piped soap tops, and I chose to do these beautiful flowers. I think there's roses, tulips, and another type of flower, but don't it look gorgeous? It was not an easy soap to do. I was so afraid to unmold this soap. Now, every ounce of this soap is made with cold processed soap. I did not do any melt and pour at all, you guys. Oh my goodness. Wasn't easy, but I did the thing. You know, I was going to try my best to accomplish. But are you guys ready to see the soap cut? All right, now hold on to your rose bushes and thorns. Boom, look at that detail in those flowers. Oh my goodness. This soap is, look at the brown bamboo. Look at the green bamboo. What we doing? What we doing, ladies and gentlemen? We making bamboo soap. What we doing? Now, although that was the end piece did not come out as great on the side, so I have to do some edits. But look at that counter corner. That is actually supposed to be a counter corner heart, but it's a design nonetheless. Look at the details in the top. I will say, you guys, I will say I am underwhelmed by my leaves. I am underwhelmed, and I'm gonna tell you why. I was rushing at the last minute to do this soap because my first plan fell through, okay? And the top was supposed to be a dark green grass with the lighter green leaves. That was the plan. However, I could not find the grass piping tip, and it took forever for the soap to set up, and I had to get this soap in on time. But nonetheless, everything came out beautiful. It is scented with bamboo and garden fragrance oil by Nature's Garden, in addition to Jade by Brambleberry. And I love the way this soap has come out. It looks so realistic, you guys. It's beautiful. Now, towards the bottom of most of the bars of the soap, you see like it's an overcast of cold processed soap, and I'll try to scrape it a little bit to just give it a little bit more polished look, but that's fine. If you stay to the end, you'll see how I cleaned up the bars. Now, the brown bamboo soap, I put a little bit in the batter. I put a little bit of King Tut gold mica in it because it has a tendency to make a light brown or a tan color. And on the other side, I put a tiny amount of Andy the Money green with a pinch of radioactive green for the green bamboo side. And then I dusted the brown bamboo side with cappuccino mica, and I dusted the green side with the Andy the Money And again, I dusted the molds for the soap in to get that effect so I wouldn't have to touch it when I unmolded it. But you guys, if you're interested in seeing me do an actual video of what I did, let me know in the comments below so that I see that you have an interest in it, and I'll do a more detailed video for you. But look at how this soap came out. I feel like spring. Hey you guys, if you like the soap, let me know in the comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please watch more of my videos. Protect your beautiful skin, protect your energy, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.